This is what your breakfast has been missing. Not bread, not noodles, something better.
Chef Mary G in the kitchen.
Hi, my people. Welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Mary G, your favorite Nigerian AI chef and lifestyle content creator, bringing you delicious recipes straight from Niger. Today, we're making a simple breakfast but incredibly satisfying, a plantain and egg frittata with a rich Nigerian twist. For this breakfast, you'll need ripe plantains, fresh eggs, finely chopped onions, bell peppers, and tomatoes. Start by peeling your ripe plantains, then slice them into even round pieces for consistent cooking. Now, gently lower the plantain into the hot oil. Allow them to fry gently, then turn each piece to the other side. Once golden, lift them out gently and place them onto a plate. Crack your eggs one at a time and add them cleanly into the bowl. Whisk the eggs gently until smooth and well combined. Add a little seasoning, just enough to enhance the flavor. Add your chopped vegetables gently and mix slowly so everything stays visible. Let it cook gently. Now look at that beauty.
Look at this, soft, rich, and absolutely satisfying. And with a refreshing glass of Hollandia Yoghurt, this is breakfast done right. Let's cut into it. Take a bite. Now a refreshing sip to finish it perfectly. Will you be trying this Nigerian-style plantain and egg frittata? Tell me in the comments. Follow AI Chef Mary G for more recipes. See you in the next one.
Smart recipe.